Hello everyone, today I have a review or actually a comparison of two knives from the Chinese manufacturer OK Knives. The knives come with black pouches with the manufacturer's logo. They are made of an interesting material. I thought I don't know what could I compare it to, but you can see that is of good quality. About the knife themselves, first of them, model OK-81, total length is 21 cm, blade length is 9 cm, blade thickness is 3.6 mm, the steel of the blade is M390, it's a high-class Austrian powder stainless steel, tempered to 63 HRC, satin finish, full flat grind, opening with a hole in the blade. On one side is the name of the manufacturer, OK, model name OK-81 and M390. On the other, number 295, and the logo that resembles a Capricorn head in profile. The handle is made of carbon fiber, appropriate profiling, the knife fits perfectly even in a sweaty hand. Compression lock, it's a kind of inverted liner lock. Carbon fiber pocket clip. It's the first time I've seen something like this. It looks great and proper elasticity. Hole for paracord. The knife runs on ball bearings. The second knife, model OK-223, is a smaller brother of the predecessor. Total length is 80 cm, blade length is 7.5 cm, blade thickness is 3.9 mm. The blade is a little bit thicker than the model 81. The steel of the blade is VG10. It's a high-class Japanese stainless steel, tempered to 61 HRC. On one side is the name of the manufacturer, OK, model name OK-223 and VG10. On the other, the same logo as the predecessor and the inscription China. The handle is made of black G10, but other colors such as brown or orange are also available. Spoon type stainless steel pocket clip, hole for paracord and ball bearings. In summary, Spyderco has a serious rival to fear. I don't want to be unfounded. A few years ago I had military and paramilitary too from Spyderco company. Nice knives, I remember them fondly, very comfortable, but here the level of ergonomics is a little higher in my opinion, due to the different texturing than in Spyderco. Great mechanics, better than Spyderco, the ball bearings do the job. Knives from OK Knives company are very okay, good prices, are really good quality. A cool knife doesn't have to be expensive. That's all in this review, thanks for watching.